Hello, hello, teacher Shelby here. Today we're going to talk about movies and music. Hoy vamos a hablar de películas, pelis y música. Different kinds, diferentes tipos, kinds es tipos. Different kinds of movies and music. And how to talk about things you like and you don't like. Y cómo hablar de las cosas que te gustan, you like, and de las que no, things you don't like. First, let's talk about a few different types of movies. A little vocabulary. En primer lugar, hablamos de algunos tipos de películas. Action. Action. Acción. Action. Comedy. Comedia. Comedy. Drama. 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 Fantasy. Fantasía. Fantasy. Science fiction. Ciencia ficción. Or we say sci-fi. Sci-fi. Ciencia ficción. Sci-fi. Horror. Terror. Horror. Mystery. Misterio. Mystery. Romance. 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 Thriller. Thriller. Or suspense. 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 And romantic comedies. Comedias románticas. Rom-com. Rom-com. Next, let's talk about different types of music. Hablamos de diferentes tipos de música. Rock. 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 Hip hop or rap. Hip hop. Rap. Country. Country. Pop. Pop. Jazz. Jazz. Folk. Folk. Or acoustic. Acústico. Acoustic. Classical. Clásica. Classical. Electronic. Electrónica. Electronic. Or techno. Techno. Metal. Metal. Or heavy metal. Heavy metal. And Christian. Cristiana. Christian. Now the verb to like. El verbo gustar. To like. We say, I like. Yo me gusta. I like. You like. Singular, singular. You, tú, te gusta. Or usted le gusta. You like. He likes. A él le gusta. He likes. She likes. A ella le gusta. She likes. We like. Nos gusta. Nosotros. We like. They like. A ellos les gusta. They like. You like, plural, plural. Ustedes les gusta o vosotros os gusta. You like. Now, 4 conversation questions today. 4 preguntas para conversar. Preguntas de conversación hoy. Number 1, what kind of movies do you like? ¿Qué tipo de películas te gustan? What kind of movies do you like? What kind of movies do you like? I like, me gusta, I like comedies, action movies. I like thrillers too. ¿Tú? Es también. I like thrillers too. Okay, question number 2. What kind of movies do you not like? ¿Qué tipo de películas no te gustan? What kind of movies do you not like? What kind of movies do you not like? I don't like. No me gusta. I don't like. I don't like horror or sci-fi movies. I don't like horror or sci-fi movies. Okay, question number 3. What kind of music do you like? ¿Qué tipo de música te gusta? What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? I like pop, acoustic, and country music. I like pop, acoustic, and country music. Question number 4. What kind of music do you not like? ¿Qué tipo de música no te gusta? What kind of music do you not like? What kind of music do you not like? I don't like metal or rap. I don't like metal or rap. Okay, now, the last thing today, lo último de hoy, a few bonus phrases, frases extra. I love. Me encanta. I love pop music. I love it. I really like. Me gusta mucho. I really like rom-coms. I really like rom-coms. I don't really like. Realmente no me gusta. I don't really like. I don't really like rock music. I hate. I hate. Yo odio. I hate horror movies. I hate horror movies. Okay, that's it for today. Now you're ready to talk about things you like and don't like. Ahora estás listo para hablar de las cosas que te gustan y las que no. And a little about movies and music too. También un poco sobre películas y música. See you later. Bye.